Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to WebTech Knowledge. In this JavaScript tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add or concatenate string in JavaScript. So for example, inside this skip tag, we're going to declare a variable, let's say var first name equal to, let's say, Yamin. So after first name, let's declare another variable, let's say last name equal to, let's say Shakil, and I want to add those two variables together. So let's declare another variable, let's say var full name equal to, with our here first name plus last name, first name plus last name. So after this, if we just write over here document dot write, and we're going to say over here full name. So right now if we save it, then if we just refresh our browser, here you can see Yamin Shakil, which we just written over here. Here you can see the first name and last name is now added together. So right now if we just give a space over here, then save it, then if we refresh, here you can see there is a space over here. Let me just zoom in. Here you can see there is a space right now. So you can add string another way. Let me just show you. So here inside this document.write, let's just keep two double quotation and let's just say over here my name is, then we'll just give a plus over here and then we are going to say full name. So right now if we save it, it will show us my name is and the full name is Yamin Shakil, right? So save, then refresh, and here you can see my name is Yamin Shakil. Okay, let's just give a space over here, then refresh again. Okay, my name is Yamin Shakil. So right now if we add anything, let's say if you want to show the name before, you want to show the full name before, then for it what you can do is that, let me just remove this, and here we can just say over here full name plus, here we'll just say Yamin Shakil is my name. Save. So this time it will show the name before. Let's refresh. Here you can see Yamin Shakil is my name. We should add a space before this is, then let's refresh. Okay, so right now let's say you want to add one more things after this, you can do that as well. Let's say over here, let's declare a variable age equal to, let's say 27. Okay, age is not a string, so we do not have to give the quotation, double quotation or single quotation. Let's just 27. So right now we can just give another plus and we can just say over here age. So it will show us the age after the name, and let's say 27, and then we'll give another plus and another double quotation and we'll say is my age. So let's save it, then let's just refresh our browser, and here you can see Yamin Shakil is my name, 27 is my age. So I hope you are clear how you can add string in JavaScript. So this is really simple. So thank you very much for watching, and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.